host, your ghost host.
Should we have our flash up?
Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
At this time, please drag all your bodies away from the walls and gather very tightly into the dead center.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look around, and we'll continue that tour. And let's all stay together. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have returned to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 candidates, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? Should you decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Every room is warm as hot and
Somewhere beyond, goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond, let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic
Serpents and spiders,
vibrations. They're assembling for a serene wave of expanding. Selected you.